apartments everywhere. Amazing. So that's the owner, I guess, playing. Must have had this house in his family for years. And it's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So we're gonna film. This is a part of Macau, and just some reference. This is called IFT, Institute of Fashion Technology, which has a pretty good. It's like a university that kind of specializes. Okay, here's the name of the street, and this kind of building is just pretty cool looking. So I don't know, there's kind of these old chandeliers up there, and it looks a little bit abandoned, but it's like basically like a house on the street. So we're just gonna take a look, and there's a couple of them. So there's this one, and it looks like they're, you know, there's kind of like same as in here, this black stuff right here. Can't remember the name of that word, but it's oh man, I just can't remember it. Let's just see. It's like a posted thing, so it looks like it's kind of abandoned. So let's just kind of walk down, and there's another one up here too, and we'll just give you a little bit of reference so you can see the apartments style. This is the IFT, the university banners. It's just up the hill. And actually that one is in a pretty nice location. Okay, here's another building too. So I guess this one does have people because there's cars. And this one is also related because there's a car in this garage too. But look how beautiful that is. There's the owner way back there. So yeah, this is an amazing little building. Yeah, quite incredible actually that there's still stuff like this in Macau. Like this is way out on the outskirts, so whatever is out here, it's basically it's kind of a cool little courtyard. So basically whatever is here was probably out here a long time ago, like way before the city even moved out here, because it's because now space would be for a premium. So we're just gonna walk all the way up. And there's another garage and another one, so it's actually like almost like a block. Huh. Amazing. Another garage. Another garage. Yeah. Huh. Amazing. Okay. I think there's a sign on this one. Museum of Xi'an, Shanghai. Huh. Culture Institute. So, oops, hello. She moved out of the way. So I don't know exactly what that one's all about. There's different schools. Okay, well, it's another notice. You also have some notices of these trees, what trees those are. So I don't know, kind of interesting. Never really know what you're gonna find in Macau. But this whole spot is like way up the northern part of Macau. So basically, just to kind of give you an idea of the context of all this, everything would have been built in the more southern part. So anything here would have been, how cool those are. Probably would have been like I don't know how long ago it was, but let's just say it was 100 years ago. I don't know. But this would have been built like out on the outside of the city a little bit. So somebody would have bought this plot of land and created this and built that there. And now it's, you know, at that time it was more like a residency. But as you can see from around us, it's more like now everything is for a premium, right? Anyways, pretty cool little space. So we're just gonna walk by and actually it's quite crowded here too. So we're gonna get by all the people. Okay. So I don't know what the name of this is. I don't know the history of this one, but I just know the location is way up in the northern part of Macau. So so maybe 100 years ago or something, they would have had something called the like a gate to the city, and that is a little bit south of here, probably about a kilometer or something like that. Maybe a half kilometer. Anyways, and then around it you can see all these other buildings. So okay, so yeah, you can see the contrast, right? So this looks like single family homes, and then this looks like typical apartments everywhere. Amazing. So that's the owner, I guess, playing. Must have had this house in his family for years, and it looks like one big massive home. So that's pretty incredible, actually. Yeah. Okay. So anyways, we're gonna wander off a little bit, but and up there is IFT. So let's just go up this way a little bit. So IFT is this whole place up there, and I could take a pictures up there, but I think I kind of want to do some other stuff. So okay. There we go. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.